What's up, guys? What's going on? So today we're gonna start on the tracker, but I ended up looking at, but before we even start the tracker, I just want to say something. I ended up looking on the Toyota website and I saw that the GR86 was on the website that you can build your stuff. So I basically spent a little bit of time going around to dealership around here trying to see if anyone has one, and unfortunately no one has any. So they actually have no idea when they're gonna get them. They have no idea when they're coming out at all. They didn't even know it was out yet until I showed them the picture on the website. So when they saw that, they were like, okay, so maybe we'll get it soon, but they don't know. But they're gonna give me a call when they get one. I really want to get one. That's the car that I decided that I want. So anyway, just want to let you guys know what was up, what was going on. And now let's go continue on the tracker. I just want to weld up a few more braces to make it super supportive, and then we'll get that diamond plate and put it on. So let's get it. Alrighty guys, so here we are with the midgate. It's finally all finished. I welded in all the structural pieces, so now it holds up really, really strong and well. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to Home Depot and buy the diamond plating. I think that's what I'm gonna use to neaten it up, make it look clean. In the meantime, I'm gonna grind down these wells, probably give it some spray so it doesn't rust, and then we're gonna work on that diamond plating, which I'll get tomorrow because it's so late now and Home Depot is probably closed, and I didn't have time to get all of the stuff that I needed today because I went on the journey to look for that car, which wasn't even here. But tomorrow we'll have no distractions. We'll film what we need to film. We'll go to Home Depot. We'll grab the diamond plate, put it up, make it look neat as heck, and finalize the adjustment fitments on the hinges to make sure it doesn't move back and forth. And then we're going to work on the inside of the tracker, welding up the pegs to hold it. I'm going to sit here and think for a little bit to see how I want to do this because I do want to do it neat as hell. Plus, I'm also thinking about making a roll cage for this just in case we roll over. So I'm going to see how I can incorporate that possible roll cage to hold up the midgate without blocking entrance to use as a full pickup, if you understand what I'm coming from. There's a lot that we have to figure out. There's a lot that has to go on it. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. I don't even know if I'm really going to do the roll cage or not, but that's in the plan for right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And yeah, make sure you hit the like button for this video, guys. It does help on the YouTube algorithm. So far here it is, finalized of the frame. It's all put together and structurally supported. I welded it myself. Like I said, super proud of myself with the welding. I think this is so cool that I just basically acquired another skill. Again, not a professional, but it's getting there. I'm learning. I'd like to learn more about it, so I'm going to YouTube more about it. And then after that, after the midgate, we can work on the front bumper, rear bumper. The front bumper, I got some cool stuff that I want to do to it, and I want to make it different than anyone else's and really aggressive. So we're going to try to do something like that. Maybe mimic the avalanche style, not sure. But yeah, like I said, guys, leave a like, comment on this video, whatever it is. It's probably going to be a really short video today. Probably 4 minutes or 5 minute video, but I hope you guys do enjoy it. I'm sorry that today's content was really short. I just had a lot to do today and I jumped out to do that and I ended up welding and starting really late. So we're going to end this here and we are going to get a fresh start tomorrow early in the morning and try to get this stuff done so this midgate can be finalized and we can move on to the next part of the project, which is the bumpers. Let's get it. I'll see y'all for the next one, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And guys, leave your likes in your comments. I urge you to just like the video, please. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.